Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to learn how we can blink an LED on Tinkercad, and to make this project we need only four components. One is the Arduino board, breadboard, LED and resistor, and using all these four components we can easily make this project. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video and see how we are going to make this thing. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to comment down below or contact me directly on Instagram or email. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and share with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care.